In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the classic icon on Instagram. So this is a new feature on Instagram and you can activate this for 1 month, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this. But before we start, please leave a like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Instagram, just like I did. And then you want to go to your profile, then hit the 3 lines at the top over here, so then this comes up. Then you want to hit settings all the way down over here, hit settings. What you now want to do is you want to swipe up. As you can see, this is what comes up. It says some eyes, then an emoji, a finger, and then a present. So just do this, just swipe and then leave it. And as you can see, it says celebrate with us. To celebrate your birthday this month, you can add a home screen shortcut using our favorite icon below. Thanks for being part of our story and using Instagram to share yours. So as you can see, here are all the different icons you can use. So I'm going to select the classic one, the classic 2. You can use basically anyone, anything. So I hit add, and then when I go to my home screen, you can see that an Instagram shortcut is added to your home screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.